Firigisheni ya gũcaria arutwo aria matari maraingira kirathi gĩa form 1 no irathie na mbere. Umuthi Minister wa Githomo George Magoha akihungura itura-ini ria Kiambu tauni-ini ya Thika kaunti ya Kiambu. Giki ari kiumia kia muthia mbere ya gutirihwo kwa mihang'o ino. Magoha ni arutite mukaana kuri aciari aria matari maratwara ciana ciao thukuru, akiuga ni megutacukirio ikinya ria kiwatho.
After Friday we shall turn to the parents and to find out if we find that you are keeping a child at home and the child is not in school. These policemen have pingos. Ama yako hapana iko. We shall arrest them. Every child must be in school.
Hari thukuru ciothe cia secondary guku bururi-ini gicunje kia 75 hari 100 ni thukuru kuria arutwo mainukaga o muthenya, aciari makiurio gutwara ciana thukuru-ini iria ciri hakuhi na micii yao kuona itire na marihi.
Every child must be in school, and I'm saying this because the only game changer in this country is education, which the government is providing free. Are we clear in this one?
Ona gutwika hari kaunti imwe cikinyanirie gicunje kigana kwa igana kia wiyandikithia wa arutwo a form 1, kaunti imwe no cirekururia wiyandikithia uyu riu kirugamira gicunje kia 96 hari 100.
Nyandarua is at 100%, Nyeri is at 102%, then you go to Kirinyaga is at 97%. The other two, Kiambu and Murang'a at 94%.
Maya magithiaga na mbere. Magoha ni oritie arutani a university cia muingi gwiciria keri iguru rigie mukana wao wa kuiga mirothi, magitetia kwaga kuhingio kwa ngirimiti yao ya mwaka wa 2017 2021 ari hamwe na nyongerera yao ya mishara.
So I would want to urge the lecturers, of whom I am one, to be rational and realistic. If there was an agreement which has not been completely implemented, let them give us time, because they know why. If it has not been completed, they very much know why.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, Gitagũngina wa Waduro.